Get up. Get up in there. It's been a while since we've camped.
Hello, welcome back. You join us at the southernmost tip of mainland Japan. At the start of this trip, you would have seen us not at the most north part of Japan, but pretty far north in Shiretoko, and now we've made it all the way south. This area is extremely beautiful. It's very subtropical, lots of palms, and the water is super blue. So not only did we just like sightsee and visit around the area, but we're going to be camping for the night at this beautiful free campsite. You got so much stuff.
Oh, well, you can hold some. Do me the favor and hold some more stuff.
No, I'm holding all the camera stuff.
It might like look a little bit like gross at first, you know, all this rubbish here, but to be honest, it's not that bad because obviously it's volunteers who have come along and cleaned up the beach. So like, good on those people, to be honest. So I was thinking we would set up right about here.
Alright, we're all set up for the night, and for tonight's dinner we've decided to try and cook nabe for the first time, which is a hot pot. This one that we're going with is a pork hot pot. So like I said, this is our first time doing it, so we'll see how it goes, but we really wanted to do it because it should be really nice and warm and kind of easy to cook, I believe.
Okay, so we got a ready-made pack from the super just before coming to the campground. It makes it easy for us because, you know, we're camping and it's going to be difficult to like carry around all of the different ingredients to like make up the broth for a nabe. So these are super convenient and hopefully we can't go too wrong with it. Yeah, we're cooking rice right now. You can probably see the steam coming out. We're not sure if you're supposed to have it with the side of rice, but I don't know. I'm a little bit peckish, so a side of rice will go.
The way to do.
Yeah.
The way to go, right?
Right. You can't go wrong with a side of rice. So.
This is the broth. I believe it's a mixture of mirin, soy sauce, and sake.
Dumplings, very nice. Cabbage.
You're on pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me.
Little chilly.
Yeah, we retreated inside the tent because we came here, at like 4 p.m. Beautiful, sheltered little bay, sunny, you know, maybe 12, 13, 14 degrees. We're like, good camping conditions. We want to do this before it gets any more colder. No, we were wrong.
Naive fools.
Like half an hour into it, we just set everything up and then all of a sudden the wind really picked up. So we're inside the tent now. But perfect conditions for a nabe, Deshul.
Yes, very good.
You wanna show it off? Our store-bought nabe.
It's not as nice looking anymore. No, okay. Sorry. That's not the YouTube version.
Did you taste it? How is it?
Yeah. I mean, I tasted it. It tastes like nabe.
Excellent.
It's good. See, that was just like a tiny piece of cabbage, but it's like soaked up all that broth and oh my god, it's yummy.
Yeah. We did last winter 2 different occasions where we ate nabe. Not that we prepared. One was we did a homestay at like a farm, and the Oba-chan cooked us like a delicious chicken nabe.
Oh, she did.
Yeah, with kiritampo in
Kiritampo.
Akita. And the second time we went to Nagano to a Kamakura festival.
Man, that was good.
Yeah.
So many local ingredients in it too. Oh man, it was good.
Yeah. Inside like an igloo or a kamakura that they had made, you could get served a massive pot of nabe. So check those ones out if you're interested in some more winter travel. This is a humble homemade one. All bought from the store. We've had dinner, we washed up. We can show you more around this campsite tomorrow. The rest of the night will just be spent inside the tent. Just reading, eating.
Meron pan.
That's about it. That's our camping for today.
Good morning. Yes, that didn't go to plan, did it?
No.
No, not at all. Well, we'll show you why we ended up in the car last night. Let's go. Can you tell why, maybe? If it's not super obvious. Wait. This mat is springy. This mat is completely flat. So it was about like 8 o'clock at night, we just kind of wrapped up dinner and we just like hopped in the tent and we were laying there just like lurking on our phones, reading books or whatever. And then like I noticed, like...
Yeah, Roy had the one that was going down.
Yep, like I just was on the floor within an hour and I was like, oh no.
It's so sad because we bought these sleeping mats and we've shown them in other videos as well, being like, yeah, these ones are really good. And they are, except that, I don't know, we literally just set it up and discovered that it has a leak in it. Like Roy said last night, he was like, I don't know how to feel about like air sleeping mats. We get them because they can be rolled up super compact, which is really good for if we're hiking in particular and we need to like hike our camping gear in. So that's why we get them. But I've had no luck. We've had 2 get a leak on us so far. So I don't know, if you guys do camping, if you're really into it, maybe let us know some suggestions of what you use for your sleeping mats and how you get a good compromise between something that's really light and compact and something that lasts. Alright, we packed up our tent, our sad tent and mattresses that didn't work and that we didn't sleep in. We've had breakfast and now we're just washing up. Yeah, so as I said last night, this is a free camp. There's many free camping spots in Japan. It's amazing, it's great. Their facilities are basic. Toilets aren't so great. If they have showers, not so great, but it's free. So what can you do? You can't complain. This one has a very nice washing up area. We're just getting some more water. And this washing up area has a beautiful view, so you can't beat that. Alright, we're packed up and it's time to get on the road. Just quickly, I wanted to show you. Over here yesterday, we showed that there was a whole bunch of rubbish that obviously someone had come and picked up and put in bags from the beach. And early this morning, like it's only 10 a.m. now, and it's already all gone. Some workers came and took it away. Good on you, Japan. It's really, really nice. Alright. So, thanks for coming along on our kind of failed camping adventure.
Yeah.
But one success was the nabe. It was so delicious. Hopefully we can do more of those in the future.
What are we doing next time?
Next time, we're still going to be in Kagoshima, and you can come around with us as we go to some of Japan's most active volcanoes. One of them is right next to Kagoshima city, like this massive city full of 600,000 people is right next to one of the most active volcanoes. So we're going to be exploring that.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.